Right. We are doing practice significant figures problem. So this is using actual mathematics where we've got multiplication, addition, subtraction, things of that nature. This is the sort of thing you would do once you've determined your final equation by substitution. As a warning, if you are using one equation and finding an answer for it, and then taking the result of that equation, which is technically an equation, and plugging it into another equation, then you want to be really careful about that because you don't want to round intermediate values. You basically want to take and copy the whole equation in and then plug numbers in and make sure it follows the rules. Again, I tend not to take this as seriously as a chemistry class would, so you need to think about basically trying to get the right number of sig figs, or maybe +1. Don't get -1, don't get too few significant figures in your final answer. Just try and get as close as you can, like right number or one too many, and you'll be fine. I'm not going to track that too carefully. All right, so to do this one, you've got to follow the whole US PEMDAS thing. Really, it's parentheses come first, then exponents, then multiplication and division at the same priority going left to right, then addition and subtraction at the same priority going left to right. In this case, we've got parentheses, which means we need to first do 1.07 plus 0.073. All right, if we add those together, you get 1.143. But we're limited in the hundredths place. We really should write this as 1.14 when we are done. So that means the multiplication is now 26.3 times 1.14. And both of these have 3 digits of precision, which means our final answer will be truncated to 3 digits of precision. All right, so we get 29.982. We just need 3 digits of that. Oh, that's interesting. So that's going to round to 30.0, final answer. And technically, this is what we should be doing with addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Doing it following the PEMDAS type rules, doing things in the right order, truncating to the right digits of precision, and getting a final answer. You will find if you do this properly that some of my answers have 1 digit too many of precision. Again, there's part of the reason I'm not holding you to be super serious about this. Most textbooks just say kind of, well, just look at how many digits of precision each of the numbers have and make sure you don't use too many. So like if every single number has 3 digits of precision but one of them has 2, you're probably going to have 2 digits of precision at the end. Anyway, that's going to be it for significant figures. Don't take it too crazy seriously, but do try and get approximately the right number of digits of precision for each problem. All right, that's it for this video.